Databricks is a leading unified data analytics platform that enables organizations to process large-scale data, perform advanced analytics, and develop machine learning models efficiently. It combines data engineering, data science, and business analytics, making it a powerful tool for handling big data workloads. Professionals working with Databricks need to understand data pipelines, cloud infrastructure, distributed computing, and the integration of analytics workflows. As a result, Databricks interviews evaluate both technical expertise and problem-solving capabilities. Databricks interviews focus on your understanding of data architecture, big data frameworks like Apache Spark, cloud platforms, and your ability to implement scalable and efficient data solutions. Recruiters are interested in candidates who can optimize data pipelines, troubleshoot performance issues, and work collaboratively with data engineers, analysts, and business stakeholders. Preparing for these interviews requires a combination of hands-on experience, theoretical knowledge, and the ability to articulate technical solutions clearly. This video covers common Databricks interview questions, sample answers, and tips to help you succeed. Question 1. What is Databricks, and why is it used? Answer begins here. Databricks is a cloud-based platform that integrates Apache Spark for large-scale data processing, machine learning, and analytics. It allows data engineers, data scientists, and analysts to collaborate efficiently, develop data pipelines, and deploy machine learning models. It is widely used because it simplifies big data workflows, supports scalable computation, and accelerates data-driven decision-making. Tip: provide a clear and concise definition, highlighting its key advantages. Question 2. What is your experience with Databricks? Answer begins here. I have experience building ETL pipelines, performing data transformations, and deploying machine learning models on Databricks. I am familiar with using notebooks, Databricks clusters, and integrating with cloud storage such as AWS S3 or Azure Data Lake. I have also optimized Spark jobs to handle large datasets efficiently. Tip: highlight hands-on experience and relevant tools. Question 3. How do you manage clusters in Databricks? Answer begins here. I manage clusters by configuring cluster size, choosing appropriate instance types, and setting auto-scaling options. I monitor cluster performance, optimize resource allocation, and shut down unused clusters to reduce costs. Understanding cluster configuration is essential for balancing performance and efficiency. Tip: emphasize optimization and cost efficiency along with technical skills. Question 4. What are the key features of Databricks? Answer begins here. Key features include a collaborative workspace with notebooks, seamless integration with Spark, support for multiple languages like Python, SQL, R, and Scala, scalable clusters, and built-in machine learning libraries. Databricks also offers workflow automation, data versioning, and monitoring capabilities. Tip: focus on features that demonstrate versatility and scalability. Question 5. How do you handle large datasets in Databricks? Answer begins here. I partition data effectively, cache frequently accessed datasets, and optimize Spark queries using techniques like filter pushdown and broadcast joins. I also monitor cluster performance and adjust resources to ensure that large datasets are processed efficiently. Tip: show practical experience with performance optimization. Question 6. Can you explain Delta Lake? Answer begins here. Delta Lake is an open-source storage layer in Databricks that brings ACID transactions, schema enforcement, and time travel to data lakes. It ensures data reliability and consistency, allowing multiple users to read and write data simultaneously without conflicts. Tip: highlight its benefits for data integrity and collaboration. Question 7. How do you optimize Spark jobs in Databricks? Answer begins here. I optimize Spark jobs by using techniques such as partitioning, caching, avoiding shuffles, and using efficient data formats like Parquet. I also monitor execution plans and tune Spark configurations to reduce runtime and improve resource utilization. Tip: emphasize a systematic approach to performance tuning. Question 8. How do you handle real-time data processing in Databricks? Answer begins here. I use structured streaming to handle real-time data processing. By defining streaming sources, transformations, and sinks, I can build scalable pipelines that process and store streaming data efficiently while maintaining low latency. Tip: demonstrate familiarity with streaming concepts and implementation. Question 9. How do you secure data in Databricks? Answer begins here. I use role-based access control, RBAC, cluster-level security, and secure credential management. Integration with cloud security features, encryption at rest and in transit, and monitoring access patterns help ensure that sensitive data is protected. Tip: highlight best practices in security and compliance. Question 10. How do you collaborate with data engineers and analysts using Databricks? Answer begins here. I use shared notebooks, version control, and well-documented workflows. Regular communication and feedback loops ensure that pipelines, transformations, and analytics meet business requirements. Collaboration tools within Databricks help maintain transparency and efficiency. Tip: emphasize teamwork, documentation, and communication skills. Question 11. How do you handle schema evolution in Databricks? Answer begins here. I use Delta Lake's schema enforcement and evolution features to accommodate changes in data structure. I test new schema changes in development clusters before deployment to production, ensuring that pipelines remain robust and data integrity is maintained. Tip: show understanding of schema management and risk mitigation. Question 12. How do you monitor and debug Databricks jobs? Answer begins here. I monitor job metrics using the Databricks UI, examine Spark logs, and use built-in tools like Ganglia for performance tracking. Debugging involves reviewing execution plans, identifying bottlenecks, and adjusting queries or cluster configurations to resolve issues. Tip: highlight proactive monitoring and systematic debugging skills. Question 13. How do you implement machine learning workflows in Databricks? Answer begins here. I build end-to-end machine learning workflows using Databricks MLflow. This involves data preparation, model training, validation, and deployment. I also use experiment tracking to manage multiple iterations and ensure reproducibility. Tip: demonstrate practical knowledge of ML workflows and reproducibility. Question 14. How do you handle costs in Databricks? Answer begins here. I monitor cluster usage, configure autoscaling, and shut down idle clusters. I also optimize Spark jobs and choose appropriate instance types to balance performance and cost effectiveness. Tip: emphasize efficiency and resource management. Question 15. Why should we hire you for a Databricks role? Answer begins here. I bring hands-on experience in data engineering, Spark optimization, cloud platforms, and scalable data solutions. I am proficient in building and maintaining pipelines, managing clusters, and deploying analytics workflows efficiently. My collaborative approach ensures that solutions meet both technical and business objectives. Tip: align your technical expertise, experience, and teamwork skills with the employer's needs. Closing thoughts. Databricks interviews assess technical proficiency, problem-solving ability, and collaboration skills. Employers want candidates who can design scalable data pipelines, optimize Spark jobs, and work efficiently with cross-functional teams. Preparing concrete examples from past projects, understanding Databricks tools and features, and demonstrating both technical depth and business awareness will make you stand out. Focus on showcasing hands-on experience with Delta Lake, structured streaming, cluster management, and cloud integration. Highlight your ability to solve complex data challenges, optimize performance, and ensure data security. Clear communication, teamwork, and attention to detail are equally important, as Databricks is often used collaboratively in enterprise environments. By preparing thoroughly, explaining your approach confidently, and illustrating your expertise with examples, you can position yourself as a strong candidate for a Databricks-focused role. Your ability to combine technical knowledge with practical problem-solving and collaboration will be a key differentiator in any interview.